If you're looking for the best engine oil stop leak additives, you've come to the right place. Oil leaks are one of those problems that almost every car owner faces sooner or later. As seals and gaskets age, leaks start to appear, and fixing them mechanically can be expensive and time-consuming. That's where oil stop leak additives come in. These products are designed to condition seals, reduce leaks, and help prevent new ones, often buying you months or even years before a major repair is needed. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 engine oil stop leak additives based on performance, compatibility, price, and real-world results. All product links are listed in the description below. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Lucas Oil 10278 Best Oil Stop Leak Additive Overall. The Lucas Oil Engine Oil Stop Leak takes our top spot for 2025. Lucas Oil is a globally trusted brand, and this additive is known for its versatility and reliability. It works with conventional, synthetic, and semi-synthetic oils, and it helps rejuvenate worn seals without causing corrosion or engine damage. Another big benefit is that it raises oil pressure, which can reduce engine noise and help your engine run smoother and quieter. The 32-ounce bottle lasts a long time and does more than just stop leaks. It also improves overall engine performance. Pros: easy to use conditions, seals without damage, reduces engine noise, affordable and versatile. Cons: severe leaks may not stop completely. If you want the safest and most well-rounded option, Lucas Oil is hard to beat. Number 2. Blue Devil Oil Stop Leak Best Premium Pick. Next up is the Blue Devil Oil Stop Leak, our premium choice. This additive is designed to offer a permanent solution rather than a temporary fix. It's compatible with both gasoline and diesel engines, and doesn't contain harsh chemicals that could clog or damage your engine. Despite its higher price, Blue Devil delivers excellent results, especially for more serious leaks. It's easy to apply, safe to use, and well known for restoring seal flexibility without swelling or breakdown. Pros: fast, nose. Permanent leak repair, engine-safe formula, works in gas and diesel engines. Cons: higher price than competitors. If budget isn't an issue and you want long-term results, this is a strong contender. Number 3. STP High Mileage Oil Treatment Best Budget Pick. For those on a tight budget, the STP High Mileage Oil Treatment is a solid choice. This additive works best on older engines with minor leaks. It helps reduce oil consumption, prevents smoking, and conditions seals that have hardened over time. It's especially useful for vehicles with high mileage that need a little extra help. While it's not as powerful as premium options, it delivers impressive results for the price when used correctly. Pros: very budget-friendly, ideal for high-mileage engines, helps reduce smoking. Cons: incorrect use can dilute oil, less effective for large leaks, perfect if you need a short-term, low-cost solution. Number 4. Bars Leaks Oil Stop Leak Additive. The Bars Leaks Oil Stop Leak Additive is known for tackling hard-to-repair seals, including rear main seals. This product is easy to apply and works quickly, often showing results within a few hours. It's compatible with synthetic, conventional, and high-mileage oils, and it doesn't rely on harmful chemicals that could damage your engine long-term. Pros: fast activation, rejuvenates, dry seals, very affordable. Cons: may not perform as well in very old engines. A great mid-range option for common oil leaks. Number 5. ATP Automotive Reseal Stops Leaks. Rounding out our list is ATP Automotive Reseal Stops Leaks. This additive is designed to revitalize rubber seals and gaskets while preventing corrosion and rust. It works quickly, often stopping leaks within hours, and is safe for use with synthetic, conventional, and gear oils. Another bonus is its versatility. It can also be used in power steering systems and transmissions. Plus, it contains no petroleum distillates, so it won't degrade seals over time. Pros: fast-acting formula, safe for rubber seals, multi-system compatibility. Cons: may cause blue smoke in some cases. A strong option for engines with aging seals that need rejuvenation. And that wraps up our list of the best engine oil stop leak additives in 2025. Remember, oil stop leak additives are best for minor to moderate leaks and can help extend the life of your engine, but they're not a replacement for major mechanical repairs. All product links are available in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.